Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. First, a look at the top stories. Country celebrates Independence Day. We enter 63rd year of freedom. 2 more swine flu cases in Goa. Number of H1N1 patient reaches to 15. Government issues advisory, tells citizen not to leave state unless it is important. 12 students are selected under Goa Scholar Scheme. Students will avail scholarship of $15,000. Rosary College of Naveli win men's and women's across country race. Individual championship for Kepe, Joao Oliveira and Cynthia Menezes. And Dempo Sports Club star Beto yet to decide on his long-term future. Now the news in detail.
Jaya hai, Jaya hai, Jaya hai, Jaya 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 hai.
Today we the Indians are celebrating our independence. August 15, 1947, the most important day in the history of India, the day when India got freedom from the British rule. All over the state, people were seen in mood of celebrations. 62nd Independence Day of India was celebrated with enthusiasm all over the state. Chief Minister Digambar Kamath hoisted the flag in the capital city. Freedom fighters, Speaker of Goa Assembly Pratap Singh Rane, North Goa MP Shripat Naik, South Goa MP Francis Sardina, Opposition Leader Manohar Parrikar and others were present at the function. Chief Minister Digambar Kamath on this day appealed general public to be cautious about swine flu.
गेल्या काही महिन्यात आम्ही पाहिले की संपूर्ण देशात स्वाइन फ्लूचे एक सावट लोकांच्या माथ्यात उपाडिल्ले आसा. स्वाइन फ्लूक लागून एक भिरांत सगळ्या देशात वेगवेगळ्या राज्यांनी आज लोकांच्या मध्ये आयिल्ली आसा. आमच्या शेजारच्या राज्यांतही ही भिरांत पाविल्ली आसा आणि म्हणून गोंय सरकाराचो प्रयत्न आसा की युद्ध पातळीचेर हे स्वाइन फ्लूचे जे दुयेंस आसा हे गोंयांत खंयच्याच परिस्थितीत येवचो न्ही ताचे खातीर गोंय सरकारान प्रयत्न चालू केल्ले आसा. हांव गोंय राज्याच्या प्रजे कडेन कळकळीची विनंती करता की गेल्ले काही दीस स्वाइन फ्लू एफेक्टेड जी राज्य आसात ह्या राज्यांत भेट दिवपाचें गोंयचे प्रजेन टाळचें. ज्या कार्यक्रमात चड गर्दी जाता अशा गर्देच्या कार्यक्रमाकय वचपाचें तांणी टाळचें. आणि जर कोणाकी जर मातसो सुद्धा दुबाव येत की आपल्याक कितें तरी सिम्पटम जाता जाल्यार ताबडतोब खंयच्या तरी आमच्या अर्बन हेल्थ सेंटरान किंवा हॉस्पिटलांत वचून ताणें चॅक करून घेवचें. अशें करून हांव आमच्या गोंयच्या प्रजेक कळकळीची विनंती करता. तातूंतल्यान हो रोग गोंयांत येवपा पासून आमी थांबोवपाक शकतले.
Sports and Youth Affairs of Goa had organized a racing competition for boys and girls on the occasion. Our senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Khanorkar, with video journalist Ravindra Darvi for Prudent Media. India is entering into 63rd year of its independence. Governor S.S. Sidhu and Chief Minister Digambar Kamath greeted the people of the state on this occasion. Governor S.S. Sidhu saluted freedom fighters for their struggle, suffering and sacrifice for the independence of the country. Chief Minister Digambar Kamath appealed people to contribute to the nation to transform India into a developed nation. Governor S.S. Sidhu, in his address to citizens of Goa on the eve of Independence Day, saluted freedom fighters for their sacrifice for the independence of the country.
On the auspicious occasion of the 62nd anniversary of our independence, I extend my heartiest greetings and best wishes to the people of Goa. Today, as we celebrate the anniversary of our independence, we recall the historic and heroic struggle of our visionary leaders and spirited freedom fighters.
Chief Minister Digambar Kamath appealed to the citizens to work hard to achieve the vision of developed India.
आणि म्हणूनच भारत जर समृद्ध राष्ट्र म्हणून उभारपाक शकता किंवा उभारपाक सोदता आणि प्रधानमंत्र्याचें एक स्वप्न आसा की 2020 पर्यंत हो देश हो जगातलो एक समृद्ध देश म्हणून मुखार येवचो जाल्यार ह्या देशांतले प्रत्येक राज्य हे समृद्ध करपाची गरज आसा आणि ताजी सुरवात हे आमच्या गोंय राज्यांतल्यान जावपाची गरज आसा. हांव सगळे गोंयकारांक उलो मारता की जे स्वप्न आमचे डॉक्टर मनमोहन सिंग हे पळयतात, आमचे भारताचे सरकार जे कितें करपाक सोदतात तांकांच तेंको दिवन आमी सगळ्यांनी हातांत हात घालून गोंय राज्य हे सुद्धा ह्या देशांतले एक समृद्ध राज्य करपाची गरज आसा.
Our principal correspondent Murari Shetty with senior reporter Rakesh Kanurkar and video journalist Ravindra Darvi for Prudent Media. The whole country is proudly celebrating 62 glorious years of our independence. The tricolor is a symbol of national importance and a matter of great pride. Its emblem signifies the sovereignty, peace and prosperity of our nation. But there are very few who prepares this identity of our nation, a national symbol for which we live and for which we are even ready to die. We bring to you such one person who is preparing Tiranga from last 15 years.
His name is Mahmood Gaus Khalifa, a name signifying the religious diversity and unity of this nation. Mahmood, a Muslim, Gaus, a Hindu, and Khalifa, the successor. And guess what he makes? He makes the tricolor flag. He prepares the Tiranga. His father used to prepare the flag. He has carried on the traditional business of stitching flags from his father ever since he was a kid. Mahmood says that he never denies anyone who comes to him for an order. On an average, he receives 50 orders for these flags from students, schools and people, not only on the historic day, but also on other days of national importance.
आम्ही धाकटे आसतना आमचे पाय करतलो हेजे उपरांत हांव काम करता आनी आमी वर्सान वर्सा आतां 15 ऑगस्ट आसूं 19 डिसेंबर आसूं आतां सायन्स ज्युनियर आसूं आमकां प्रत्येक हाका आसात कोण कोण शिवून व्हरता इस्कोला सगळे व्हरतात प्लस भायरचे बारीक सगळे व्हरतात आमकां आमी शिवून दिता आनी आमचे आमच्या देशाची हे न्हू ते आमी ना म्हणना कोणाक आमी दितात 15 साठ ना वयतात 25-30 40 वयतात ना म्हणून ना वयतात मागीर आमी बाजारांनी मातशें बांदता अशें आमचे खुशीन बांदता आमी सगळे फ्रेंड थ्रू 15 ऑगस्ट आसूं 26 आसूं कितें आसूं बांदता आमी खुशी.
Mahmood's family is doing this business for more than 30 years. On this auspicious occasion of Independence Day, we salute this Tiranga man. A reporter Jason Suarez with video journalist Dhananjay Swarnakar for Prudent Media.
Ramchandra Shinde from Kuchali Mapsa had died a hero's death while fighting the terrorists in Kashmir in 2006. Ramchandra Shinde had led the front to evacuate 1,400 children who were taken hostage by terrorists in Pulwama district of Kashmir. Prudent Media remembers and salute the Shauryaveer and his family on the eve of 63rd Independence Day.
Ramchandra always wanted to serve his nation right from his college days. The mother of Shahid Ramchandra Shinde spoke to us with uncontrolled tears in her eyes.
खूप गरीब परिस्थितीने वाढलेले आहे मुलग्यांना 10 रुपया पैसे साड्या करून कॉलेज शिकताना त्याच्या मनान असले आपण आर्मी भरती जातलो एक देश सेवाचे का जॉब करतलो आपण पोलिसान वयतलो ना जाल्यार आर्मीन वयतलो खूप त्रासान तू शिकयले आमकां कितें तरी नांवाचे हे देशाचेर हेल्प करून दाखोवंक जाय जन्माक येयला म्हणटा कोणी म्हणून त्याच्या मनान खूप आसले.
Ramchandra Shinde was honored with Shaurya Chakra for his bravery and sacrifice for his nation.